Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to update your Opay app to the latest version. First thing you do is tap on Opay, then you put in your password. From there you can do that, or you can simply go to Play Store, which is the one I prefer. Go to your Opay Play Store, then tap on search down here. Tap on the search bar, tap Opay. You can see it's installed. Then you see this option for update. So tap on update. Give a few seconds, you can see it's updating. Once it's through to install, you can see it's installing now. Give a few seconds. Still installing. Let's see what's our Opay business. We have Koda, we have Palmpay, Find Money, Unpay business, Cheaper Cash. There's so many. Binance, Backbait. Still installing. Let's see similar apps. Still installing. You can see on the space for you so many other ones. Money Point business app. Easy Money. Bank Credit. Cash on, done offline. And once it's installed, tap on open. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If it is, like and subscribe to this channel for more.